2 beds, a marble bathroom, and luxury that no hotel on earth can match, all rolling down the highway. Welcome back to Nitro Wings, and today we're taking a look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class luxury motorhome. And honestly, from the very first glance, this one already feels different. But the real question is it just about the looks, or does it actually deliver in real life? Let's get into it. All right, starting from the front. And the first thing you notice, this thing has presence, like proper road presence. Big windshield, clean sharp headlights, and that wide chrome center grille. It instantly gives off that premium Mercedes-Benz vibe. But then as you get closer, you start noticing the details. Those thin blue LED strips running across the front, they're not loud, but they stand out. And honestly, that one detail alone gives this motorhome its own identity. Something you simply do not see anywhere else on the road. Now, before we move on, quick size check because this actually matters. It is about 7.2 meters long. So yeah, it is big, but not crazy big. Width is around 2.3 meters, and height is just over 3.1 meters. And that height, that is the reason you get a proper 2-level sleeping setup inside, which at this size, you do not always see. Every centimeter of that space has been used with real intention, and you feel that the moment you step inside. Now moving to the side, and this is where things start making a lot more sense. Right here above the door, you have got an automatic awning. You pull up somewhere nice, press one button, and that is it. Shade is ready. No setup, no hassle. And it even has built-in LED lighting running along the awning edge, plus an integrated wind sensor. So if the weather turns, it takes care of itself automatically and retracts without you doing a single thing. That is the kind of feature you do not think about much until you actually use it. Then you wonder how you ever lived without it. Down here, you have got these exterior storage compartments built right into the lower body. Nothing flashy, but super useful. Chairs, cables, water hoses, outdoor gear, everything stays outside. And that means inside, everything stays clean and uncluttered. Simple, but genuinely important for anyone who actually lives in a motorhome full-time. Now stepping inside, and yeah, this is where it hits you. First impression, it feels warm. Not just luxury, but comfortable luxury. That cognac brown leather with deep diamond stitching everywhere. It gives off that Rolls-Royce type vibe without trying too hard. And with the light blonde oakwood panels surrounding everything, it does not feel heavy or overwhelming. It feels balanced, warm, like somewhere you actually want to spend time. Now look at this dining space. At first it is simple. Nice table, clean seating, nothing over the top. But then you realize it disappears. The whole burr walnut table with that beautiful chevron inlay detail folds completely down into the floor on gas-assisted hinges. And suddenly you've got open space again. That is the kind of thing that actually makes a real difference in daily use. You are not fighting your own furniture. The space works with you. Now look up for a second, because this part is underrated. Soft, warm amber lighting running along the full length of the ceiling edges. Flush spotlights positioned exactly where you need them. And right in the middle, a full panoramic skylight. During the day, it opens up the whole space and pulls natural light through every corner. At night, it completely changes the mood. Lying in here after a long drive with that skylight above you, it is one of those features you do not expect to matter this much. But it does. It really does. Now over here on the wall, your main Q Smart Home Control panel. Everything in one place. Lights, climate, automatic awning control, exterior storage lighting, all from one clean flush touchscreen. No confusion, no extra buttons scattered around. Just simple, clean control over everything in this motorhome from a single spot on the wall. Now the kitchen, branded right here as Michaela RV Kitchen. Not huge, but clean and very well done. Induction cooktop, matte black sink, solid counter space, and leather-handled drawers below. Everything you actually need, nothing you don't. And that window right in front while you cook, you're not just cooking, you are enjoying wherever you are parked. That detail alone makes it worth it. Now, moving further back, plenty of full-height storage behind these gorgeous leather strap-handled wardrobe doors. Built-in oven integrated below. Open glass, shelving above for your drinks and accessories. And the fridge, hidden completely behind a matching burr walnut cabinet door that blends right into the surrounding cabinetry. Perrier bottles, fresh jars, everything neatly organized inside. It keeps the whole space looking clean, considered, and intentional. Now the bathroom. And yeah, this is where it surprises you the most. Marble-style tiling on every wall from floor to ceiling. Frameless glass shower enclosure, proper wall-hung toilet, standalone basin, premium chrome fittings throughout, fresh folded white towels on a rail. This does not feel like a motorhome bathroom at all. It feels closer to a boutique hotel setup in Milan. And honestly, I still cannot fully process the fact that this exists inside a vehicle. Now, climbing up this slim aluminum ladder. This is your first bed. Comfortable, proper hotel-grade bedding, real pillows, quality duvet, textured throw blanket, and right above you, that skylight again. At night, lying here looking up at whatever sky sits above your campsite is a completely different experience. And down below, the lounge seating converts into your second bed, giving this motorhome a genuine two-bed setup that works perfectly for couples or small families. 2 beds, 1 motorhome. No compromise anywhere. Now up front, the cockpit. Same cognac leather diamond, quilting carrying through from the living space onto the dashboard, door cards, and both captain's seats. Wide landscape infotainment screen showing live navigation. Warm wood trim framing it beautifully on both sides. And that Mercedes-Benz 3-pointed star sitting on the leather-wrapped steering wheel. Everything feels connected. Everything feels like it belongs together. So what do I think? Honestly, this is not just about luxury. It is about how everything works together. The design, the smart features, the automatic awning, the hidden table, the marble bathroom, the skylight, the 2 beds, the Michaela kitchen. It all just makes sense. Nothing feels random. Nothing feels like it was added just to impress. It was all put there because it genuinely improves the experience of being in here. Is it perfect? Maybe not for everyone. But is it impressive? Yeah, it definitely is. Now I want to hear from you. What stood out the most? The bathroom? The hidden table? Or that skylight setup at night? Drop your thoughts below. And if you're into builds like this, subscribe to Nitro Wings. More coming very soon. Stay inspired, and I will see you in the next one.